Throughout history, comets were seen as omens, cosmic messengers, even signs of doom. But today, we know there's something far more fascinating. They are icy time capsules, frozen leftovers from the birth of our solar system, and the things we've discovered about them will change the way you look at the night sky. Stay till the end, because fact number 1 completely changes what we thought we knew about the origins of life itself. Comets aren't just old, they're ancient. Most were formed over 4.6 billion years ago, long before Earth was even finished forming. They were born in the icy outskirts of the solar system, places like the Kuiper Belt and the distant Oort cloud. Because they've been frozen ever since, comets contain some of the most pristine material in existence. When we study a comet, we're literally looking back in time at the solar system's original ingredients. Comets may look small, but their tails are unbelievably massive. When a comet gets close to the sun, its ice begins to vaporize, creating a glowing tail that can stretch millions of kilometers across space. Some are longer than the distance between Earth and the Moon. And here's the surprising part. Comets don't have just one tail, they have two, a dusty one, and a blue ion tail blown by the solar wind. Each tail tells scientists exactly what the comet is made of and how it's interacting with the sun. One of the most incredible achievements in space exploration happened in 2014, when the European Space Agency's Rosetta mission successfully landed a probe, Philae, on Comet 67P. This was like landing a washing machine on a mountain of ice moving 135,000 kilometers per hour. The mission revealed that comets have cliffs, boulders, frozen pits, and even organic molecules. It showed us that comets are not just icy rocks. They are complex worlds with fascinating landscapes. Where did Earth's oceans come from? One of the most surprising theories is that comets, loaded with frozen water, delivered a huge portion of it billions of years ago. Early Earth was scorching hot, too hot for liquid water to survive. But comets bombarded our planet, bringing massive amounts of ice. Some comets also contain heavy water and complex molecules that match what we see in Earth's oceans. This raises an astonishing possibility. Without comets, Earth might have remained dry and lifeless. Here's the most jaw-dropping fact of all. Comets may have delivered the building blocks of life to Earth. Scientists have discovered amino acids, organic compounds, and carbon-based molecules on several comets. These are the same ingredients that form DNA, proteins, and living cells. It suggests something extraordinary. Life on Earth may have started, not on Earth, but in space. Comets might not just be messengers. They might be the original carriers of life's spark. Comets are far more than icy wanderers. They are cosmic storytellers, carrying clues about the birth of planets, the origins of water, and maybe even life itself. Which comet fact blew your mind the most? Tell me in the comments and hit subscribe for more space mysteries brought to life. The universe is full of secrets, and we're just getting started.